So basically, I'm back here. I've not done a video in a long time, so I'm going to be showing you guys a great life hack. So, we're going to be making a secret compartment out of this book right here. This is just a book you got at Goodwill for $2. So, nothing big. I'm going to put saran wrapper on this for a sec. But, if, you guys want to see the original video where I got this idea, go check out Marlon, because I was not the person who actually came up with the idea. So, yeah. Alrighty, now we're actually gonna wrap the papers. Let's get to that one page. Basically, it's wrapped in saran wrap. I'm not saran wrap, but you know what I mean. Alright, so basically at this point, we're gonna measure this. It's about 8 inches, so we're gonna go like a inch in here, I guess. Maybe like half an inch in, actually. There. Down here, we got the pencils out, and now we're actually gonna stick these with some glue in the water, like to help it stick. So, yeah. Pour in some glue here. That's probably pretty good. Then we're gonna add some water. Stupid gravity. Now we're gonna mix this around to make a mixture that actually will absorb it. So basically, when it looks like this, its consistency, you're basically done. But you're also gonna need an X-Acto knife to cut open the book. So yeah. Alrighty, guys. Got here an X-Acto knife. I'm gonna be very careful with this. So yeah. Basically, what you're doing, gonna cut our pages. I'm sorry, there's some. So that's how. Okay, where's the hat? Alright. We're going to go 2 more glue. Okay, so you can do that. Probably cut it about 3 pages. So basically, what we're going to do now, we're going to put this on the side of the book. And then basically it's going to make it close shut, so yeah. He always said, make sure to keep it weighted down after you do this, so I got some sugar out like he did. So, yeah, that's what we're going to do here. Sorry if you can see that. This is going to be in the way, but it's keeping it stable, so I think you guys are okay. So, alrighty, guys, so that's what we're going to do now. We're going to be putting some sugar on it, weight it down, and make sure that nothing really happens. It's getting a little wet, but, whoopsies, there we go. This is what it's going to look like for now. But in a second, I'm gonna get a new towel and then make sure that glue does not mess up the table. So basically with this, you're gonna wanna make it sit for 30 minutes. So I'll be back in 30 minutes. Then after that, basically we're going to be cutting out the rest of the pages with the X-Acto knife. Then after that, we're going to go on the inside, glue them together, and you guys should have a secret compartment in your book. The thing is done drying. I actually did it twice because the first time my pages were actually lifting up the wrong places. So now that we got the book ready, if it doesn't work this time, I'm gonna put some clear tape on it. Only in the spots that don't work when they're glued, I guess is what I would say. I'm not sure. So I guess we can test out if this worked or not. Yeah. 1 second. Yeah. Alrighty. I think this needs to dry up a tiny bit more, but yeah, well basically I might have to put some tiny dabs of like, I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna end up good or not. It's all worth this try, so yeah. Dang. Well, it looks like that the glue is not really working the best, but I might use some tape on some places real quick. Make sure. And I'm using like tape is pretty hard to see. This tape is here, so. We're just gonna be like opening the book, like, yeah, this is cool. Part 1. There's a little part, and then whoa, wait, what happened here? And then basically, I'm just gonna cut the X-Acto knife down lower, lower, lower. So now we gotta cut it again. Gotta be a long time. Hey guys, I just finished doing all this stuff. It's not as clean as Marlon's, but here it is. Put some granola. Actually, I'm gonna put some stuff in it right now. This looks like a cool book. Yeah, pretty sure I just saw these deeper. Wait, what? What? What is this? And obviously, I can make this deeper if I want to. I can just keep extending it, but right now, I think that's pretty good for me. Like, I could do this, take it out. Even if I was in class and I was right here, just on my phone, just doing stuff. It's like, what are you doing? He's like, I'm on the book. I mean, there's nothing in here. I don't know, okay? I don't know. But I hope you guys like this video. It wasn't as good as I wanted it to, but actually, we're going to put some tape on it right now, because I still need to like clean this up a tiny bit. I mean, it is cool for sure. I just wish that it did not, like, I don't know. I wish the glue worked a lot better than it did, but everything can't be perfect, so I'm just putting some final pieces of tape on here so that it's not wet. There we go. Alrighty guys, I'm about to eat some granola bars, play some Xbox. Okay, so let me know if you guys like this video. I don't know if it was turning out the best, but hopefully you guys understand. But it is really cool. You guys should try it. But that's for me not posting for a long time, okay? I was literally cutting with an X-Acto knife for probably like an hour, and my neck is killing me right now, so that's what I'm doing that for you guys. Yeah, so that I'm posted in a week, so hopefully you guys like that video, and I'm gonna lay down, so I'll see you guys later. Peace.